Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Tulu alphabets. Lot of people do not know that Tulu language has its own script. Tulu script was not a newly invented script. Like most of the Indian scripts are descended from Brahmi script, Tulu script also descended from Brahmi script through Grantha script. A large number of manuscripts and stone inscriptions written in Tulu script and Tulu language were discovered around the Tulunadu region. Many of these reported to be around 800 years old. Okay, today let us learn only vowel sounds in Tulu. Before we start, I request you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. Okay, first one is a. A. This is the short A sound. Example: appe. Appe means mother, tai in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. A. A. Second one is A. A. This is the long A sound. Example: Ane. Ane means elephant. Ane in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. A. A. Third one is E. E. This is the short E sound. Example: Illu. Illu means house. Mane in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. E. E. Next one is E. E. This is the long E sound. Example: Irolu. Irolu means ice apple. Tati Nungu in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. E. E. Next one is U. U. This is the short U. Example: Uchchu. Uchchu means snake. How in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. U. U. Next one is U. U. This is the long U. Example: Udubatti. Udubatti means incense sticks. Agarabatti in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Ooh. Ooh. Next one is U. U. This is called half O. This is one of the unique sounds in Tulu. This sound normally comes in the middle or end of a word. However, sometimes initial E or U vowel pronounced as U. Example: Umbeklo. Umbeklo. This can also be pronounced as Imbekulu or Umbekulu. Means these people. ಇವರು ಅಥವಾ ಇವರುಗಳು in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Okay, next one is r. Example, Rishi means a sage. Rishi in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. R. Next one is A. This is the short A sound. Example, Eli means mouse. Ili in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. A. Next one is A. This is the long A sound. Example, Aid means goat. Adu in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. A. Next one is A. This one also a unique sound in Tulu, which cannot be found in other Dravidian languages. Normally this sound comes at the end of a word. However, sometimes initial short A changes to A if the final vowel is A. Example, Ete. This can also be pronounced as Ete. Means affliction. Vethe in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. A. Okay, next one is A. This is the long A sound. Like short A, this one also normally comes at the end of a word. However, sometimes initial long A sound changes to A if the final vowel is A. Example, Ame. This can also be pronounced as Ame. Means tortoise. Ame in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. A. Next one is I. Example, Ainu means 5. Aidu in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. I. Next one is O. This is the short O sound. Example, Odu means monitor lizard. Uda in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. O. Next one is O. This one is the long O sound. Example, Oda Oda means about. Dhoni in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. O. O. Next one is Au. Au. Example. How do. How do. Means lower lip. Kerala Totti in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Au. Au. Next one is Um. This is called Anuswara or nasal sound. Example. Angi. Angi means a shirt. Angi in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Um. Next one is Aha. Aha. This is called Visarga. We can see this sound in all the Sanskrit origin words. Let us see how it is written. Aha. Aha. That's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn consonant letters in Tulu. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.